Hi guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my full updated wash day routine. Yes, I said updated wash day routine because I did something in this wash day I've never done in any of my wash day videos. So if you do want to see that, keep watching till the end because this wash day routine is so hydrating, is moisturizing, is strengthening all at the same time. So what better way to kick off my long-term protective hairstyle? This is the best way I could think of. What I'm doing is just rinsing out my pre-poo. I did a hot oil treatment. I'm going to leave a link up on your screen. So I'm just rinsing out the oils. Definitely I'm not going to rinse out everything is not going to go out, but I'm just taking out as much as I can. And then the first thing I do is my shampoo process. So this is one product that I just started using, but I've used it about 5 times or 6 times or so because it's just remaining a little bit, like just a little down there. And I've loved this shampoo, and it says no parabens, no formaldehyde, some stuff like that. So the first thing I loved about this shampoo was the way it looks. Like it had this silky look, and it's also very slippery, like as if there's some slippery hair in it, or maybe aloe vera or something like that. So the ingredients to this shampoo is a bit complicated. They are natural ingredients, of course, but there are a lot more complicated stuff in it. But it felt so good, like from the look to the smell to the way it lathers. So this is how it looks like, a shiny coverage or something like that. So there's only one shampoo that I've used that has that kind of look, and it's the Icos Naturals that I started using initially in my hair care journey. So the reason why it's not looking like it's going to lather is because, of course, when you do oil treatment, the shampoo is not going to lather at that first time. So I rinse that first time out because I tend to go twice with my shampoo. So the first one is just to scrub my scalp, make sure I remove every build up and stuff like that. Then I rinse it out, then I go the second time. So it's this second time that usually brings out the foamy part from my shampoo. So I go in there generously and notice that I'm only putting the shampoo on my scalp. Guys, I'm only focusing the shampoo on my scalp. Your scalp is where you need to clean properly. After that, the rest of the shampoo is going to wash down the rest of your hair. Most times our hair strands are not usually that dirty, but it's the scalp that tends to store product build-ups and stuff like that. So I scrub that and also rinse that shampoo out, and as the shampoo rinses down, it cleanses the rest of my hair, so I don't have to worry about putting shampoos directly on my hair strands. So I'm going to make sure I rinse that out properly, squeeze out the water. This shampoo was giving a lot of vibes. I loved it. It was nice. So the next thing is my protein treatments. That is what I'm doing also, and my protein treatment is eggs. Like, guys, if you don't like eggs, don't use eggs. But until I get a good protein product, I know my deep conditioner has some protein in it, but that's not really fully a protein product. But this using raw eggs, I mixed some oils in it and some stuff like that just to hydrate my hair properly at the same time while it's doing its protein stuff. So this is what I'm used to, like from day one. From the moment I did my big chop, I've not stopped using eggs as my protein treatment. So probably when I get a good protein product, I'm going to stop there. For now, this is what works for me. This is actually the time when I feel like I've done a real protein treatment. So feel free to use whatever works for you. And so I just cover it up with a plastic bag, leave it for around 30 minutes, and rinse it out. So you want to make sure you rinse this part properly. And don't leave it in for too long because the egg might tend to start cooking on your hair. So if you don't want to fry some eggs on your hair, don't leave it for too long, and don't use heat. Don't use any steam cap or anything like that. You're going to cook the eggs on your hair. So after rinsing that, I still went ahead to loosen up my twist so that I can apply my deep conditioner, because that's the next step. After my protein treatment, I went ahead to do my deep conditioning treatment. So usually they'll say use a moisturizing deep conditioner after doing a protein treatment. But guys, this Mega Glow deep conditioner is also moisturizing. For me, I don't see it as a protein treatment because it has protein in it, like every other product will have some hydrolyzed sweet protein, soy protein or stuff. But this one is also moisturizing for me. So I apply my deep conditioner generously from roots to tips. I apply that and work it in, squeeze it in, and you see how my hair is giving, the coils are popping, my hair is feeling juicy and great, of course. So I would then put this up in a twist and wrap it up like a bantu knot, and I'm done with that section. So I'll typically do this for all other sessions, and then put everything up in a plastic cap. So deep conditioning is a must for me, guys. If you're always there complaining of dry hair, frizzy hair, your hair not staying moisturized for long, and all those complaints we hear a lot of times, it's probably because you're not deep conditioning your hair. If you say you're deep conditioning your hair, how are you doing it? Are you generous with your products? Are you using products that are containing natural ingredients? Products that helps hydrate your hair, products that moisturizes your hair, products that when you use, after using them, you don't feel this squeaky clean kind of feeling as if you've stripped everything from your hair, like your hair is feeling dry and stuff like that. So you want to make sure that you're using products that really aid in hydration. So products that don't leave your hair dry. That is why I always emphasize to look at your product ingredients. Even if you don't understand everything, at least to an extent, you will understand what is written there. So after applying my deep conditioner, I cover up with this plastic cap. If you don't have this, you can use plastic bag, shopping bag or whatever. Then I left it for 30 minutes under my steaming cap. Like, guys, I don't go through this process without using my steaming cap. That is what I used to heat up that deep conditioner thoroughly into my hair strands. And then after 30 minutes, I hop in my bathroom and I rinse that off. So this time around, I'm going to be taking down the twist so that I can really go in there and rinse out everything out of my hair. So one thing you don't want to do, you don't want to leave products in your hair, because what happens is that most times when you don't rinse these things off properly from your hair, whether you're doing a protein treatment, you're doing deep conditioning, or you're using any hair mask or AYURVEDA or stuff, you want to make sure that you're rinsing them properly out of your hair. So this will usually work under running shower, but I am not under my shower because I don't want all this stuff I'm too lazy to clean them out, because usually when you do wash days in the bathroom, there's a lot of mess and I'm trying to avoid that. So I stay in a separate place that enables me to clean up easily. So that is why I'm not doing that. So I just rinse that thoroughly. As you can see, if you touch my hair at this point, you will know that my hair is not dry. Like, honestly, I was just feeling my hair, because despite shampooing and doing a protein treatment, my hair does not have that squeaky clean feeling. So I just rinse that out at this point, and once I'm satisfied with that, I squeeze out the excess water with my hands, and then I move over to the next process, which is tea rinse. So this one has also been a staple for me for a long time. So instead of doing all those hair masks and stuff, I decided to settle for this, which is using a green tea to rinse my hair. Final after shampoo, deep conditioner and stuff, I rinse my hair with tea rinse. And I don't squeeze out most of it out of my hair, just a little. I like to leave it in. So I've been doing this for more than 6 months now or so I love it and I keep it that way. So this is one step I added: moisturizing my hair while shampooing my hair in the bathroom. So this moisturizing routine is usually when I've dried my hair and stuff and I just want to put my hair in a protective style. I just moisturize it. But then I just decided to do this immediately after rinsing my hair. I didn't even allow my hair to dry or stuff. I just apply my leave-in conditioner in 4 sections and I braided it. So I wanted to have this stretch look after a few days. Plan was to keep it in these 4 piggy styles until I'm ready to put my hair in a protective style. And I was just loving the length of my hair in this piggy style. I have a picture of how my piggy style was, like in 2022 ending, towards the ending, and also in 2023, and they were not this long. So this is the picture of 2022 and it was not this, my hair has really grown. So I just put them up in this little bun and let my hair dry out like this in a couple of days before I take them down. So this really had a good result for me because putting in my protective style was so easy. It made my hair stretch even if I didn't plan to stretch my hair, but it gave me that stretch feeling and I really loved it. So that's all I have for you for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're yet to do so. Like this video as well. Also leave me a comment if you find this wash day routine interesting. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.